Two groundbreaking awards just hit the wire for SHB Bank at the Asian Banking and Finance Awards 2026. This isn't just about a Vietnamese bank's win. It's a loud siren for entrepreneurs ready to tap into the booming digital finance and ESG sectors. The trends driving these recognitions are creating unprecedented opportunities right now. According to a report by Deloitte, the digital finance market in Asia is expected to reach $6.6 trillion by 2027, driven by the increasing adoption of mobile payments and digital wallets. This growth is evident in countries like Singapore and Indonesia, where cashless transactions have surpassed 50% of total transactions. SHB secured Digital Transformation Bank of the Year in Vietnam, an outstanding ESG program in Vietnam, at a major event in Singapore. Think about that. Digital transformation and ESG. These aren't just buzzwords, they're the foundational shifts reshaping global finance, especially across Asia. What's wild is how these awards highlight a massive, profitable pivot for an entire industry. Banks are pouring capital into tech and sustainability, and that spending spree opens doors for savvy business builders and side hustlers everywhere. It's about more than just banking. It's about the infrastructure and services supporting this evolution. According to a recent report, Vietnam's digital banking market is expected to reach $13.4 billion by 2025, with a compound annual growth rate of 43.6%. SHB's wins at the Asian Banking and Finance Awards 2026 confirm that digital innovation and robust ESG frameworks are no longer optional. They're competitive necessities. This isn't just local news, it's a blueprint for who's profiting. Consider the companies building the SaaS tools for digital banking, the AI for fraud detection, or the platforms streamlining ESG reporting. Firms specializing in data analytics for sustainable investing, or consultants guiding banks through complex regulatory shifts, are already making a killing. It's akin to the early days of Shopify, when enabling e-commerce created an entire ecosystem of service providers. The same is happening now for digital and green finance. Here's what nobody mentions. These awards signal a massive demand for niche services and products. Your actionable step today? Explore building a specialized SaaS solution for ESG compliance or data analytics, focusing on emerging markets. These banks need robust systems, and you could be the one providing them. Alternatively, if coding isn't your jam, research becoming a freelance consultant specializing in digital transformation strategies for smaller financial institutions. Dive deep into the specific needs of banks adopting these strategies and offer a solution. Build a niche, solve a problem, and you can ride this wave. Hit subscribe for more insights on profiting from market shifts. Top-tier market analysts are signaling a significant reallocation of capital towards companies demonstrating robust digital capabilities and strong environmental governance. Firms like McKinsey and Deloitte recently published reports highlighting a 20% premium on valuations for companies leading in these areas. We're seeing investment banks like JP Morgan actively advising clients to pivot portfolios, citing a clear demand signal from institutional investors for more ethical and digitally advanced assets. This isn't just a trend, it's a strategic imperative driving financial decisions across the board. What's unfolding is a deep-seated shift, moving beyond mere buzzwords into actual balance sheet impacts. Savvy investors are already adjusting their long positions. Beyond Asia-Pacific, European markets are rapidly adopting similar operational models, driven by stringent data privacy laws and heightened climate concerns. Consider the EU's digital finance strategy and upcoming green finance disclosure requirements, pushing traditional banks to modernize or risk losing market share. Even in the US, venture capital continues pouring into fintechs that offer seamless digital experiences and verifiable eco-friendly solutions. This global movement creates a vast playing field for niche service providers. Companies in London and Silicon Valley are closely watching these developments, seeking to replicate successful strategies and fill emerging market gaps abroad. It's a truly connected ecosystem, influencing policy and product development worldwide. Think back to the internet boom of the late 90s. Traditional brick-and-mortar stores initially dismissed e-commerce. Those who adapted early, like Amazon, became giants, while others faded. This current wave, focusing on digital finance and ethical investing, echoes that era of disruptive change. The lessons are clear. early adopters reap exponential rewards. We're witnessing a similar moment for service providers who can help established entities navigate this dual shift. Businesses that built websites and online marketing back then are today's SaaS developers and ethical reporting specialists. It's a recurring pattern where new technological and societal demands create entirely new industries, changing how money moves. Clearly, the big winners here are SaaS companies building modular digital banking solutions and platforms for environmental impact reporting. Data analytics firms providing metrics on carbon footprint or social impact are seeing exponential demand. Unexpected beneficiaries include small, specialized agencies offering regulatory adherence advice for green finance products. On the flip side, legacy software providers unable to integrate modern APIs are struggling. Banks clinging to outdated manual processes or those with poor environmental track records face increased scrutiny and capital flight. The market is brutally efficient. Adapt or become a footnote. This shift favors agility and foresight above all else.